morning, my dear children. How are you all? Happy? You all had breakfast in the morning? Everybody? Okay, very good. So children, my name is Afia and today I am going to teach you on the topic seasons. So before I start, can you tell me what is a season? A season is a word which is used for regular changes or regular changes in the condition of the atmosphere or weather, and these changes last for a particular period of time. Okay? And what do you mean by the term weather? Weather is a word which is used in general for the atmospheric changes, and weather need not be for a particular period of time. It can be for some hours, it can be for some minutes, but season has a particular time. It has a time of 2-3 months. It lasts for 2-3 months. But weather, if you go out, if you see out, you may find that weather is different today and different tomorrow. Yes, but in season there are 2 to 3 months in which there is a particular atmospheric condition and which is there for that 2 to 3 months. Okay, children? So we have studied about what is a season, what is a weather. Now coming to the types of the seasons. Can you tell me how many types of seasons are there? Very good. 5. Take out your 5 fingers. Now we will start naming those 5 seasons. Starting with summer, winter, rainy, autumn and spring. These are the 5 seasons of our country, India. And these 5 seasons are part of our year. As the months keep on going, the season and the climatic changes keep on taking place. Okay, children? So let's start with the type of seasons. The first season which is there and the first season with which our year starts is winter. Okay? What is this? Yes, it is a picture of the winter season. So what do you see in this picture? There is a lot of snow. There is a snowman. What are the children wearing? Sweaters, right. So children, winter is a season which is very cold. The temperature is the lowest in the winter season. You feel very cold. So in the winters, what do you wear? You wear sweaters. And what do you eat? What do you like to eat in this season, in very cold season? Something hot, right? So usually, what do you eat? What do you have? You can have hot tea, hot coffee. Your mother will make pakoda. Okay? Nice kachori, pakodas, bhajiyas. Right? So in winter, the temperature is very cold. Okay? You wear sweaters and you eat something hot which will make you feel hot in a very, very cold season. Okay, children? So this is winter season. Now after winter comes spring season. What is this? This is a picture of spring season. See, you can see so many flowers, right? And the weather is looking very pleasant. Okay? So after winter, which ends in the month of February, from February to March or April, you have spring season. In spring season, there are so many flowers. Yes, you feel very pleasant. You feel like going out, going on a long drive. Yes? And the weather is very pleasant. You don't feel very hot. You don't feel very cold. It is a pleasant weather. And what do you eat generally in spring season? You know, it is good to have green leafy vegetables. in spring season. And you can have many seasonal fruits, like you have strawberries, avocados, oranges. Yes, to make you feel energetic and healthy in this season. So the second season after winter comes spring. Now after the spring comes summer, right? What do you see in this picture? It is picture of a summer season where the beach is shown. What is this? It is a beach and two children are playing in the water. One on the sand and one in the water. So the summer season, children, is a very hot season. The sun is very bright and you feel very hot, very warm. You will continuously feel sweaty. You feel like bathing continuously because the weather is very hot. And why are these children playing on a beach? Because in so hot weather, playing in water is giving the children nice feeling from inside because they are already very sweating. So many people and many children like to play on the beach in this season. And what do you usually wear in this season? You wear simple cotton clothes, because simple cotton clothes will help absorb the sweat. And what do you generally eat in this season? Usually you eat ice cream. Yes? Cold coffee, ice cream, cold juices, right? So in summer season, what did we study? The weather is very hot, the sun is very bright. Yes? You like playing on a beach, like playing in the water, and you eat ice cream. And summer season goes and lasts from March to June. March, April, May and June, or June or July. So 4 months, right? So for 4 months, from March to June or July, you have the summer season. And after July, you have the rainy season or the monsoon season. What happens in the monsoon season? It rains very heavily. You need to wear raincoats while going out. Yes? Sometimes it is very windy and rainy also. Yes? So in the rainy season, you wear raincoats while you go out, you carry umbrellas while you go out, and you also like playing in the rain, right? So this season, children, it starts from the month of July and it goes from July, August, September. 3 months you have monsoon or rainy season. After the monsoon season, you have, what is this? Autumn, right. This picture is about the autumn season. What do you see in this picture? The trees have become very dried. The leaves are no longer green. They have become pale, yellow and brown in color. Yes. So in the autumn season, which starts and which is the last season of the year, starts from September usually and goes till November or sometime December. September, October, November or December, or it can end in November. So 3 months you have the autumn season. Okay, the leaves are shedding out because the trees and the leaves have become very dried. Yes, so the last season, which is the season of our India, and the last season is autumn. Okay children? So I have taught you what is a season, what do you mean by the word season, what do you mean by the word weather, how many seasons are there throughout the year in our country India. Okay, I hope you all have understood the concept. Now coming on the activities, are you ready for some fun activities? Yes. So I will explain you how to do the activity. Okay. So the first activity children is the worksheet. Okay, you all can see this is the worksheet. Here the trees represent, each tree represents a particular season, and you have the objects which are there in a particular season, and what you have to do is you have to see from the tree in which season the tree becomes like this, and you have to see in which season you can find these objects, and what you have to do is you have to match tree with the appropriate season wise tree with the season object. Okay, so this is a worksheet season object activity. Now for example, I am showing you, this is a tree, and what is this? Sun. So it is a summer season. On this tree you can see snow. So snow represents winter season. In the third tree you can see it's raining, monsoon or rainy season. Spring season. See, so many flowers are there on the tree. And here the tree, the leaves are no longer green. They have turned pale, yellow and brown in color. Now I am showing you the example, then you can, I will distribute all of you this worksheet, and I will ask you to match all the tree with the respective objects. Okay, so for an example I will show you. Summer. In summer season, what do you feel among these objects will match the summer season? Ice cream, right? In summer season, you eat ice cream. So, I will join the summer tree with ice cream, right? Similarly, in the winters, what do you see? You see a snowman. So I will join winters with the snowman. In rainy, what do you see? And what is there in the rainy season? What do you feel among these can match the rainy season? Umbrella, right? So you have to match tree with the umbrella. In the spring season, what do you see? Among these two objects, which is correct for the spring season? The sunflower, right? So you will ultimately match spring with the sunflower. And lastly, autumn season. The tree represents autumn. So in the autumn season, you see yellow leaves shedding from the trees and lying on the floor. So you will match the tree with the yellow leaves picture. So this is the worksheet, children. I have shown you the example. Now you have to follow this and remember what I have taught you and do this activity by your own. I will be distributing you the sheets, this worksheet, and you will do the activity. So this is the first activity, children. Now coming to the second activity. What is this? This is a box. I have a cardboard box with me, and on this box it is written summer, and a sun is drawn over here. So like this, I will be keeping 5 boxes for 5 seasons in different corners of the classroom, and I will be giving and I will be first distributing the class into 5 groups. Okay, so every group I will be giving some papers, some colorful papers. Now children, what you have to do is you will take the paper, okay, and you will make any object you feel like, but it should have a seasonal importance. Okay, any object. You can make an ice cream, you can make a flower, you can make a tree, nice tree, anything. And then I will ask you to see your picture, what you have made, and see all the 5 boxes. And then I will ask you to go and drop that picture which you made in the particular season box to which it belongs. Like for example, I'll show you. I have made this box of summer season. I will give you a paper like this. What it is drawn in the paper? What is drawn in the paper? On the paper? An ice cream, right? So like this, you have to draw any object, and then you have to put the paper in the box like this. Okay children? And after this, what I will do is, after all of you have put the papers in the boxes, I will again bring those boxes back, and you will take out the paper and turn the paper and write the name of the object on the back side of the paper, and then you will show it to me. Okay children? So I feel you have a lot of fun. Yes, the first activity was the worksheet. In the second activity, we are making in the object and matching it with the box. We are putting the paper in the box. And in the third activity, we are writing the spelling of the particular object which we have made. Okay children, so I have come to the end of today's topic. I hope you have understood the concept and what is a season. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay children, bye bye, take care.